So here's a tip that I didn't really need to learn, but let's call it a lesson in dancing too fast for the music, and hopefully save you some heartache. Um, I'm working with a pine box, and I want to glue in some extra laminate pieces here, and I'll get into why I do that in a separate video. But anyway, um, I went ahead and I've got these white oak pieces glued in as corner bracing. And so I'm going to need boards to fit in between them. And whenever you're, needing to make more than one, repeat pieces, especially here, we're going to have 4 sides times 2 boards each. That's 8 pieces. It's handy to make a template for yourself. So um, I went ahead and fit some cardstock in, nice and tight, snug, up against each side of the bracing. And then once you've got those made up, you can go ahead and transfer them onto your laminate boards to cut to the final size. And this is where you want to pay really close attention to the thickness of the pencil you use to transfer the template profile. And it doesn't matter if you're working with a box or any form you're going to make a template for, you're going to want to remember that size pencil lead. And here's why. So we've got 0.5 millimeter lead, right? And we draw our line. And we're good to go, yes? So you start cutting on the line. And you forget that it's a 0.5 millimeter line. So of course, when you come over and you want to fit your piece, it's a 0.5 millimeter too wide. Lesson is, always cut inside your line. Or you get to spend the rest of the day shaving a 0.5 millimeter off of 8 boards. Good times.